Hi, and welcome to reviews-water-heater.com, where we have over 800 water heater reviews and ratings. This will be a quick video overview of some of the Kenmore water heaters on the website. If you'd like to see the full written review, please follow the link below the video. Now with our ratings guide here, you'll see everything is rated from best to poor, green to red. And starting down here below, you'll see that every single column has its ranking and its summary of information there, and also the color coding, so you can quickly compare models from one to another, even within the same brand or even with different brands. Also up top here, you'll be able to search however you'd like on the left hand side through reviews by type, such as natural gas, electric, tankless, reviews by size, and also reviews by brand. Now if you have any experience with a Kenmore model specifically, then feel free to leave a comment below, as it help other people out. Thank you for taking a quick look at this video.